Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Can you understand this Vietnamese conversation? Wait. Before we start, how much Vietnamese do you actually understand? Not words you memorized, not phrases you've seen before, but real, spoken Vietnamese. Because here's the truth, Vietnamese is tonal, fast, fluid, and when people speak naturally, it can feel completely different. So today, you're going to test yourself. No pressure, no stress. Just listen and see what you can understand. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Don't translate everything, just focus on what sounds familiar. Here we go. A chào buổi sáng. B. Chào buổi sáng. Hôm nay bạn đến sớm. A. Vâng, hôm nay tôi có nhiều việc. B. Vậy à, chúc bạn may mắn. A. Cảm ơn. How much did you catch? Even one word counts. Now, let's break it down slowly. First line, chào buổi sáng. This means good morning. Very common, very important. Second line, chào buổi sáng. Hôm nay bạn đến sớm. Good morning, you came early today. Hôm nay bạn today, bạn bằng you, đến sớm bạn come early. Third line, vâng, hôm nay tôi có nhiều việc. Yes, I have a lot of work today. Vâng bằng yes tôi bằng. I có bằng have, nhiều bằng a lot, việc bằng work. Fourth line, vậy à, chúc bạn may mắn. Oh really? Good luck. Chúc bạn may mắn, it wish you luck. Last line, cảm ơn, thank you. Now let's listen again. This time try to follow everything. A. Chào buổi sáng. B. Chào buổi sáng. Hôm nay bạn đến sớm. A. Vâng, hôm nay tôi có nhiều việc. B. Vậy à, chúc bạn may mắn. A. Cảm ơn. Did it feel easier? That's how listening improves. Through repetition and recognition. Now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence. You try to understand it before I explain. Ready? Sentence 1. Hôm nay tôi bận. Did you get it? I am busy today. Hôm nay equals today, bận equals busy. Next, vui lòng đợi một chút. Please wait a moment. Vui lòng bằng, please đợi bằng, wait một chút bằng, a moment. Next, bạn đi đâu? Where are you going? Bạn bằng, you đi đâu bằng, go where. Now, a slightly longer conversation. No explanation first. Just listen. A. Xin chào. B. Xin chào. Hôm nay bạn làm gì? A. Tôi đi xem phim với bạn. B. Hay đây, chúc bạn vui vẻ. A. Cảm ơn. How much did you understand? Let's break it down. Hôm nay bạn làm gì? What are you doing today? Tôi đi xem phim với bạn. I go watch a movie with a friend. Heyday. That's good. Chúc bạn vui vẻ. Have fun. Now, let's hear it again, slowly. A. Xin chào. B. Xin chào. Hôm nay, bạn làm gì? A. Tôi đi xem phim với bạn. B. Hay đấy. Chúc bạn vui vẻ. A. Cảm ơn. Now, your final test. No hints. No breakdown. Just listen. A. Xin lỗi. Bây giờ là mấy giờ? B. Bây giờ là 3 giờ. A. Cảm ơn. B. Không có gì. Did you understand? Here's the meaning. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. So, how did you do? Did you understand more than you expected? Or was it challenging? Either way, you're improving, because listening is a skill. And every time you practice, you get better. Don't aim to understand everything. Aim to understand more than yesterday. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't give up. I'll see you in the next video. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.